Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar dipped a slight 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices eased and were headed for their biggest monthly loss since June 2021 as impending interest rate hikes by the US Federal Reserve sapped the non-yielding assets appeal. The US dollar resumed its rally following a brief pause at the start of the week, putting it back on track to end the month with an impressive gain after a 4-month losing streak. KX, the world's second largest crypto exchange by trading volume, has revealed it holds $8.6 billion in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and US dollars. The Web3 platform published its 4th monthly proof of reserves to allow users to view the reserves, as well as using open source tools to check their liabilities.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's gross domestic product at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1500 hours GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1500 hours GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. Germany's unemployment change at 0855 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.